So we hear all the time not to quit, right? Never to give up. It's on interviews, movies, social media, it's all over the place. And that's great, it's a positive message. But I still have to ask the question, what does it truly mean to not quit? Is it the answer or is it an ingredient? We've all had a rough stretch at one point or another. We've all felt derailed, lost something important to us, just had things not happening at the moment. And in this situation, picking up the pieces and getting yourself back on track, while intimidating, is always manageable, but it's that X factor. Finding that right piece, the piece that will get the wheel turning, that little win. Carving out an opportunity for yourself to make even the slightest progress, even if the impact is so minimal that it almost seems worthless. It is not. The first step is never worthless, no matter how small. I like to use a baseball analogy when having this discussion. Because in baseball, a team's goal undoubtedly is to win. Their priority is to get runs. But there are always games when the bats just are not alive. The offense is struggling. So what happens? The manager's entire mentality around the game changes. A man on first base becomes extremely valuable. The team starts bunting, sacrificing, grounding out, playing small ball. Not thinking about a hit, just thinking about moving that runner along, getting him from first base to home plate. Because when that happens, that small victory of getting just that one run on the board, it puts the team in a better position to win. They've progressed, even though they haven't necessarily gotten a hit. They've had minimal offensive production, yet they've made something out of nothing. They've manufactured a run. And it allows them to now focus on the next aspect of winning the game, whatever that may be. Life is no different. Sometimes the baseballs just are not flying over the fence. Sometimes you need to work hard for that next step, that one small win that will turn the tables. Difficult, but always worth doing. It's always there. It's just that achieving those big goals, sometimes they require you to think small. Require you to break an objective down into its smallest components before you can build it back up. So when you hear the words "don't quit," I hope you understand the implications. Because it's not a matter of having a positive attitude and just expecting things to work out. It's a matter of combining that winning mentality with the ability to find and achieve your next small win, even if it's the most trivial, and following it. Follow the road it creates. Allow it to light the path to greater things. Success has no life until you breathe life into it.